spell it A-N-D, and say it loud and say it clear, and is a word we love to hear. And, let's spell it A-N-D. And!
Today's sight word is and. Can you say it? And. Great! Now let's spell it together. A-N-D. And. Amazing! And is a word we use a lot. Let's say it one more time. And. You're doing great. Keep practicing and you'll be a reading superstar.